Hey, what's up guys? Today we're going to do a real quick video on helping us visualize gravity. So Isaac Newton teaches us that the two factors that influence gravity the most are the mass of objects and the distance between those objects. So today, to help visualize that, we're going to use the force of magnetism to help us represent the force of gravity. So we have a regular horseshoe magnet, it's plastic, it's not that big. And then we have a big construction grade magnetic broom. Okay, you've probably seen this in my classroom. So we're going to use both of these magnets. This one is bigger, has more mass. This one is lighter and has less mass. But we're going to see what they can pull, what they can pick up. If Isaac Newton is correct in saying that mass and distance are the main influencing factors, then you can probably already assume which is going to be able to generate a greater magnetic pull. Okay, so we'll use the force of magnetism today to represent the force of gravity. So we're going to try to pick up as much items as we can. They're right there on the floor, okay? Right now. So let me go ahead and set these down. I'm going to move the back a little bit further. Okay, that should include everything. So we've just got a random assortment of stuff here. I got some screws, got a golf club. I'm going to help maneuver some of the stuff with my hands. Sorry, I'm getting bit by mosquitoes. To show that, you know, if you place it properly, you can collect more items. So let's go ahead and start with the small one. Pay attention to what this is able to collect, because you're going to be able to, or you're going to be asked to write about it here in a little bit, okay? Hey, Daisy. Are you metal? No, you're not. You got that metal plate in your head, though? No, you don't. Okay, so let's see. So we got this one right here. So if I touch the items, it's able to pick up some stuff, get a couple of screws. Okay, so that's not bad. See if we can come over here and get anything else. Let's see. We got a bag here. This is not too bad. It's a pretty good little hole. Let's see if we can get, oh man, I just made a mess. Let's see if we can get a little bit more. Anything else? Okay. So go ahead and take a mental image of what we were able to pick up here. So that's not bad. We got some metal pieces here, mostly construction materials with a cooking utensil. So let's go ahead and clear that. Now, one thing you should notice is that the distance was I was touching these. They had to have contact, okay? And if you had contact, you're able to kind of pick it up. So you're okay. Now, how much mass was I able to collect? Was I able to collect a whole bunch of things? I got a decent amount, but could I pick up this tool right here? It's too heavy, too much mass, I can't get it. So let's try with the magnetic broom. So I used to do a construction job with my dad because he had his own business when I was growing up, and I would use one of these to pick up all of the loose screws so they wouldn't end up in tires. So it's kind of cool. It's like a magnetic broom. So you're able to get a whole bunch of stuff. Let's see. Getting more. Let's see. Can I get this? I got it earlier. Let's see. Let me see if I can free up some space by moving something here. Hold on. Give it some more surface area. Now I'm going to try it. Yeah, it still might be a little too heavy. Let's try the cooking. Okay, how about this guy over here? Okay, so let's look at this one. So you can see with this magnet, doesn't look or doesn't appear like it has more. But if you actually were here, which if this was the class, we'd be doing this in person. Well, it's trying to make me look like a liar now. Let's see if we can get this stuff on here. Just need the point of contact. So hot. So there, I was able to get a couple more items on here. I know it wasn't as smooth as I was hoping it would be as far as just picking up everything, even though it's doing a pretty good job. Sometimes the contact area gets covered with these little small pieces and you're not able to pick up as much. But if you look, I was able to get quite a bit of stuff, okay? So keep that in mind when you write about this. Now, as you can see, I had to really closely put contact on it, rearrange a couple items, but I could actually get pretty much everything I want. Even this golf club, if I did it right, I could pick that up as well. See? Okay, maybe not. Let me try it again. Hold on. It's really, really hot here. There's no air at all. So let's try the golf club. Don't make a liar out of me. There we go. So there's the golf club. Okay? So we're able to collect a whole bunch more stuff. Now, let's try it again, but let's change the distance. Okay? So lay that stuff down. Put it all back here in the middle. Okay? And let's go with the horse shape. So let's try this guy. So am I picking anything up? Am I picking anything up? Am I picking anything up? I'm not. Well, why not? Well, Isaac Newton tells us that all these items have mass and they have a gravitational pull on each other because they have mass and volume. However, gravity depends on the mass and the distance between the two objects. So what did I increase? I increased the distance. It was a lot closer. I could get stuff. I made physical contact. But when I increase the distance, I'm not getting much. So let me try to increase the mass to see if I can get more items. Back to the magnetic broom sweeper. So let's try it out. I'm hovering. I'm hovering. I got one. I'm hovering. I'm hovering. See, Daisy likes it. I'm hovering. I got a couple little things. Now, I wasn't able to get much of anything. That's because I increased the distance between the objects. So the force of attraction between them went down. If our moon was farther away from our planet Earth, we would lose it in orbit. And it's actually kind of drifting away as we speak. But we'll talk about that in another unit. So, to wrap up the lesson for today, gravity depends on two things: the mass between the two objects involved and the distance between the two objects involved. Because if I touch contact, any of these items, I'll pick them up. But if I hover over them, unless I have a really strong magnet with a lot of mass, I'm probably not going to pick anything up.